How to apply rain or snow effect to wallpaper on your Google Pixel 9, 9 Pro XL and other picture devices running the Android 16 beta version. So by default, when you set here, you can see you can see the rain effect on my lock screen. Also, when we unlock my phone, you can see the snow effect on our home screen wallpaper. So if you want to add this amazing weather effect on your Pixel 9 series or Pixel 8 series Android 16 version, follow this tutorial. So first of all, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen on your Google Pixel devices. Tap on a wallpaper and style. Now in the home screen or lock screen, you can see both the live effect option. Now tap on the more wallpapers here. Here you can see the wallpaper studio, the live effects, tap on it. Now select any photo you want to apply the different weather effects on your real-time weather effects or different weather effect available on your device. So here we select the wallpaper on my device like here we select this wallpaper on my phone. Now if we apply, you can see the three options: shape, weather and cinematic option. So here first you need to select the shape you want to set on wallpaper, like also change the background color of wallpaper. Here we select this. Also select this effect on my device. Now tap on the weather option. Here you can see the list of different weather effects you can apply to your Google Pixel 9 series. So first is the local. So depend on your weather condition you live on your device. Second is the fog option. Now you can see apply fog to the wallpaper. Third one is the rain effect. This is my favorite effect. Here you can also increase or decrease the rain effect like this. Here you can see slow down the rain. Now medium, or if you want to fast, you can select this. So this is the fast weather effect. You can also see the snow effect as a fast, medium or slow. You want to apply the snow effect to the wallpaper. And the last one is the sun effect. So it will glow your wallpaper like this when you increase or decrease the wallpaper. So it's quite easy to set the weather effect on your device. So like here we select the snow effect on my phone. Now tap on a top right corner arrow and here we select how it looks on lock screen and home screen option. So tap on the next button again. Now we select the home screen option only. So tap on apply button to apply snow effect or rain effect to wallpaper. Now here you can see the home screen effect apply. So quite easy to apply the home screen effects. So you can see only 5 seconds or 10 seconds when you lock or lock your phone or unlock your phone in home screen and lock screen. You can also set the 3D cinematic effect also by following the step on your device. Like go to wallpaper style, tap on a live effect, select the any wallpaper you want to set. Again here we select this photo again on my phone. And at the last you can just cinematic, add a 3D motion to this photo. So you can apply this effect on your device. It will take time and you can see it will automatically apply 3D motion effect on your device. So this is quite easy to add or remove the rain or snow effect or any other weather effect on your Google Pixel 9 series. That's it. If you like it, share it, and please hype it if you like this video. Thanks for watching this.